In a world that rarely pauses, space is more than a luxury. It's quite rebellion. A choice to step away from noise and come into life that values depth over display. Welcome to Codename The Crown, with 220 palatial residences set across 3 acres in Chinchwad. Codename The Crown stands tall, not just in height but in vision, with expansive homes, curated amenities, and an architecture that blends grace with function. So keep your expectation high and get ready to live a life that's beyond ordinary, because it's time you belong to the rare. There's a quiet joy in entering your home without fumbling for keys. With smart lock access and complete security when you're away, and it begins before the door even opens. Step inside and feel the fresh breeze of a well-ventilated home, welcoming you into your 1300 plus square feet Vastu-aligned layout that blends function with elegance. These full-height windows draw natural light across these wide open layouts. Every finish speaks of quiet luxury, elegant to look at and delightful to touch. This living room gives you space to breathe, entertain and relax. A separate puja niche with a dedicated dining area crafted to bring grace and functionality to your daily living. Your private balcony is like a retreat, offering unobstructed views that calm the mind and refresh the soul. Whether you're enjoying fresh morning breeze with a cup of tea or spending quality time with your loved ones, this could become your favorite corner. The kitchen here is a blend of thoughtful design and refined function. Each detail is crafted to make daily routine effortless. The enclosed dry balcony here is a smart extension, ensuring your home's main areas remain peaceful and clutter-free. The bedroom is perfect as guest suite. Spacious, calm and thoughtfully designed with full-height windows and extra moving space. The second bedroom is bright and secure heaven for children. Large windows with invisible grills for their protection and built-in wardrobes that creates a space for their bright future. The master suite isn't just bigger, it's elevated in every way. The spacious walk-in wardrobe offers both style and practicality, keeping your essentials neatly organized and elegantly displayed. With an attached personal balcony that creates a private sanctuary for your evenings and mornings. Let's take a look at water closets, designed with separate wet and dry zones, premium fittings, anti-skid flooring, and a luxurious shower that brings spa-like comfort to your daily routine. The expansive layout features 10-foot floor-to-ceiling height and grand vitrified tiles that offers a space that creates a canvas for your home to grow. Codename The Crown is in the heart of central Chinchwad. It's a home that brings you closer to what you need, yet always feels like a personal retreat. So what are you waiting for? Schedule a site visit and book your dream home today.